Does degree hacking work for master's degrees? Can you test out of all your classes and earn an entire master's degree in a small fraction of the time without paying tons and tons of money in tuition? That's exactly what we're going to talk about in today's video.
Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how.
All right, so degree hacking for master's degrees. Does it work? Absolutely yes. You hear me talk about all the time degree hacking for bachelor's degrees, right? You can earn an entire bachelor's degree in as little as 6 to 12 months in literally a semester or two of college. That is absolutely possible. Well, the same goes for master's degrees. You can earn an entire master's degree, so 2-year master's degree. I would say master's degrees are more difficult in nature, like your classes are going to be a little bit harder. So you can't do it 10 times faster, but I would say you could very easily do it about 4 times faster. So when I say that, if you are planning on a 2-year master's degree, you can quite easily earn that master's degree in about 6 to 12 months if you're willing to work hard and follow the right process. Now, one thing I will point out, if you want a master's degree and you want to use the degree hacking structure to earn that master's degree, not every single master's degree, every area of study you're going to be able to use degree hacking for. There are a lot of degrees that it will work for, but let's say you want to go to law school or medical school or something big like that. Those are the types of things that you cannot just test out of all of your classes. You're actually going to have to be on campus doing all sorts of things. So having said that, if you are, let's say, going to business school or you want an MBA, those are degrees that work really, really well for degree hacking. So a huge variety of business degrees, IT or computer-based degrees. There are lots of degrees in those fields that you can use degree hacking for, in specifically master's degrees. There are degrees in the healthcare field, the business side of healthcare, as well as nursing, things like that. You can get master's degrees using degree hacking and do it a lot faster. Another area is teaching degrees. If you want to be a teacher, there are tons of teaching degrees that work really, really well with degree hacking. So there is a big variety of degrees that will work for master's degrees and degree hacking. You can do it faster. But like I said, law school, medical school, things like that, it's not going to work. Now, if you don't know what degree hacking is and you already have a bachelor's degree and you want to get a master's degree, or let's say you want to get both, a bachelor's and a master's degree, the process of degree hacking is simple, okay? It's a process, a structured process that I used to earn my entire bachelor's degree in just 9 months. You can use it for a bachelor's degree or a master's degree, and the process goes like this, okay? Instead of sitting in a classroom and studying from textbooks and doing homework assignments and all that fluff, literally for each and every class, you pass a single test. And if you pass the test, you get credit for the class and you get to move on. You're done with the class forever, okay? That's it. You simply find out what's going to be on the test and what you need to study. You study those things, take the test. If it takes you 2 days to pass the test, it took you 2 days to complete an entire college class, okay? So whether it takes you 2 days or 2 weeks or 2 months, it literally does not specify when you get that degree. It's literally the same degree, but you get to do it a lot faster, right? If you would like me to completely lay that process out for you, like the step-by-step process to follow in order to get your degree much faster, I'm going to leave a link below in the description. There's not enough time in this video, but I have already recorded a full step-by-step training on the entire process of degree hacking. So what you need to do if you want to earn your college degree faster. I'll leave a link below, or you can go to diplomasecrets.com, and you can watch that training absolutely free. My hope is that this video opens your mind to other ways to earn master's degrees. It's literally the exact same degree, but you're doing it so much faster. So if you want a master's degree, you can hack your master's degree and get it a whole lot faster. Watch the training below. I'll teach you step by step exactly how to do it. My hope is that you save a whole bunch of money on tuition and you can get your master's degree in a matter of months, not years. Watch the video in the link below in the description, and you can learn exactly how to do it. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope the rest of your day is great, and I will talk to you in the next video.